Hello, my dear friends. I am very happy to see you today. I hope you are enjoyed your Christmas with your family. Welcome to my Skills Today channel. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Have a beautiful day for you. Happy learning. So most of us having a dream to get a job in Zoho Corporation because of the free food and salary package. For that, you need to learn pattern programs that is frequently asked in Zoho interviews. Don't worry, here I am there to help you. We are going to discuss about the program that is asked by the Zoho interview. Please see the below pattern of the output. And just remember that you have to give the input as 5. Let's we can discuss about the Python program to get our desired output. You have to give the integer input in. It iterates through two nested loops. The outer loop represents each row. The inner loops calculates each number in the row using the formula that you are seeing in the print statement. Modulo operator n ensures wrapping around when the sum is exceeds n. Plus 1 is adjusting the output to start from the 1 instead of the 0. N equals to the space is just giving you the space between two numbers. Finally, you can get your desired output, which is the answer for this question. I hope you have learned something new today. Thanks for your precious time. I will see you in my next video. Until then, if you have any questions or concerns, please ask in the comments section. I am very happy to help you.